Hello students, in today's video we will see how to draw geometrical constructions. But before that, let's see which are the instruments used in engineering graphics. So first of all, this is roller. It is called as roller and it is used to draw lines, parallel lines. Then this is protractor and it is used to measure angle, as angles are given in this scale. Then this is rounder. It is used to draw arc or circle. Then you have to use a pencil which is not a HB pencil, it is H or 2H pencil. Then this is French curve. It is used to join various points. Now we will see how to draw geometrical construction. So first, take one example, bisect a given straight line AB. So first of all, draw a straight line AB. Suppose I will take a length of 50 mm. So first measure 50 mm. Then distance 25 is the half of 50 mm. So take more than half distance in your rounder. So more than half distance in your rounder and give name to this point as point A and this point as point B. So take more than half distance and draw the arc by considering A and B as center on both sides. So here I will draw. So 2 points we have got. Give name to this point as point C and this point as point D. Then join CD. In this way you can bisect a given straight line. If you measure, then it will be a distance of 25 mm. Correct, it is 25 mm. Now this is completed. Now second example I will take. Divide any straight line into any number of equal parts. Any number of equal parts. So suppose I will take a line of 50 mm distance. So this is 50 mm line. Now I will take 70 mm distance. So 70 mm distance and give name to this point as point A and point B. Now suppose this line AB, which is a 70 mm, and divide it into 5 number of equal parts, into 5 equal parts. So if the distance was 50 mm, then it is simple to divide in 5 equal parts, that is 10 mm distance. But if distance is 70 mm, then it is not very simple to divide into 5 parts. So for this, use this simple method. Draw any inclined line from point A. Don't take any angle, you can draw directly, and take a distance of 10 mm. 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. 5 equal parts में डिवाइड करना है, इसलिए 5 पॉइंट्स लिए. If you want, then you can take 15 mm distance. I have taken 10 mm distance. Then join this end point to point B. Then take parallel line to this line from this point. And similarly draw parallel lines from the various points we have taken. In this way, you can divide any line into equal number of parts. So, part 1, 2, 3, 4 and at point B there is a point 5. So, in this way you can divide any line into equal number of parts. Then we will take third example. To bisect a given angle. To bisect a given angle. Suppose given angle is 40 degree. So draw a line. Draw two lines having angle of 40 degree. So this line I will draw a horizontal line. Give its name as PQ. Then measure 40 degree angle from point P and draw a line. Give name to this point as point R. Now we have to bisect this angle. So take any radius in your rounder. Take any radius or any distance. Suppose I will take this distance. Then draw a arc like this, touching both these lines, and give name at this point as point A and at this point as point B. Then keep same radius as we have taken and center point A and B and draw arc. So this point we have got, and give name to this point as point C. And now join PC line. So this is the bisected angle which we can measure. So we have drawn line RPQ, angle 40 degree. So angle CPQ will be 20 degree. We will measure it. So this will be 20-degree angle. So we have completed this method. So in this way you can bisect any given angle. Then next we will take example. To draw arc of given radius which touches two straight lines at right angles to each other. So first of all, two straight lines at right angles to each other. So first draw straight lines which are right angles to each other. Now to draw arc of given radius is given. So take that given radius as 20 mm. 20 mm. So take 20 mm in your rounder. 20 mm distance in rounder and give this point name as O, and 20 mm distance in your rounder and O point as center. Draw a arc on vertical and horizontal line. So these two points we get. Give name to this point as point P and point Q. Now next task is take 20 mm distance and draw arc by taking P and Q as center. So this point we have got, and give name to this point as point R. Now take R point as center and draw a arc which touches point P and Q. So in this way you can draw arc which touches two straight lines at right angles to each other. Now next example we will take. Draw arc of given radius touching two lines making an angle between them. Say the angle between two lines is 30 degree. So first draw the two lines having 30 degree angle. So give name to this line as A and B. Now measure 30 degree angle from point A this is 30 degree angle and join A point to this point and give name to this point as point C. So angle CAB is 30 degree. So we have to draw arc of given radius. Suppose the given radius is 20 mm. Now take 20 mm distance from line AB and AC. For this take perpendicular from point B and from point C. So from point B take a perpendicular line, and from point C also draw a perpendicular line, and on this point take 20 mm distance. So on this line take 20 mm distance. So This is the 20 mm distance point, and then 90 degree to C, draw 20 mm line. Now draw parallel line to AC from this point. And parallel line to AB from this point. Now these two lines meet at this point. Give name to this point as point O, and take 20 mm in rounder, that is this distance 20 mm, and center point as O. Draw a circle. In this way you can rub these lines also, that we have taken only for reference. Now this circle is exact of 20 mm radius, and in this way we can draw arc of given radius touching two lines which makes an angle between them.